mga clinics, they encourage newbies for everyone who wants to start in motorsports. Mainly, this is for newbies and for existing competitors para ma-polish pa yung skills nila. The clinic is divided into 3 stages kanina. There was a high speed with 2 U-turn slots. Then yung next is 5 gates na parang slalom. And then yung third was yung chicane. So participants were divided into 3. So para ma-accommodate nila lahat. For beginners, syempre, they would teach you the basics, how can you control your car, and for the existing competitors, and how can you improve your time. In racing, every bit of input dun sa mga veterans is very crucial. Every millisecond counts.
It's very important kasi ang tinuturo namin is basics. Hindi siya yung the only right thing na gawin, but it's one of the basic things na kailangan nilang matutunan bago sila mag-advance sa ibang techniques. And itong mga bagong drivers, yung introduction nila into racing is the proper do's and don'ts.
Super Sprint and the Auto Performance, we have very similar values where we want to treat people inclusively, we want to grow motorsport and develop the next generation of car enthusiasts and racing enthusiasts. So today we are actually launching the race team, which has been dormant for several years, for the first time in 5 years. So Auto Performance Motorsport is now Auto Performance Kickstart Racing, thanks to our new title sponsor, Kickstart Coffee, with the cooperation of Goodyear Tires, Aguila Auto Glass, Brembo Philippines, and so many more.
If you want to try out racing, wag kayo mahiya. Here in Super Sprint, you can use stock cars as long as it's roadworthy. Meron naman silang screw team, may med team who will guide us. Just in case lang may accidents, they are prepared. So, in terms of gastos, an entry fee of as low as 800 pesos, you can join Super Sprint.